this is Lisa with Holland Designs Crochet. Today I'm giving you a close-up look at a brand new design. This is the Irish Cream cable blanket, and you can see I worked it in two different colors. So I have some cream at the edges on both sides, and then I used a tweed cream for the final edging and also for the center sections of the blanket. And this one has some very beautiful cables that are worked in vertical rows. So they're worked back and forth this way. And they're very easy to work, a little bit different from a typical cable pattern. And very also easy to customize as far as you can do a double cable, a single cable, or as I did here, the triple cables. You can vary that and arrange the placement as you like. Very easy to customize that, and also easy to change the sizing, so you can make this blanket to any length or width. I created the sample using a K-hook and this Aran worsted weight yarn. This was the Fleck cream color that I had. So this one worked out really beautifully. I made it in a lapghan size, so approximately 48 inches by 36 inches, but you can make it to any dimensions. And this is a perfect size for, often for just sitting on the couch or in a chair, and also great for wheelchairs, that type of thing. So check this pattern out. It's in the 23 Afghan Club, and also available separately in my Ravelry shop.